to my channel, make sure you subscribe, turn on the post notification, and give this video a big thumbs up. So today I'm going to be eating in alphabetical order, and I'm really excited. Oh my god, guys, look at all this food. Okay, so, we start off with A and end with Z. So, let me get my list. Okay, so for an A is an apple. This apple is so good. I haven't had an apple ever since last year, so yeah. Next is a banana. Ooh, soft. Okay. Next is a cereal and eating apple jacks. For D is dates. I never tried them. I don't want to try them, but this is all I have. So. Ugh. I'm gonna try a little piece. Ugh. Ugh. Ew. It's disgusting. Okay. Next, Eggo. I'm eating an Eggo waffle. It's kind of burnt up. Okay. Got that. We did E, F, and a fruit roll up. Ugh. Okay. So I'm gonna make a tattoo out of this in my time. I haven't had this either. I don't really like them. So, Ugh. Guys, comment down below which one you like. I like the heart face, so. Ugh. Nope. I don't know if it turned out, but let's eat it. I'm gonna crumble it. It's like easier. Pretty good. But I'm never eating it again. Let's get the next thing. Wait, that was F, right? Graham crackers. So I have these graham crackers. That's so good. Hershey chocolate is for H. And this goes together for s'mores. Alright guys, so I just realized for H I did Hershey chocolate, but I also had a hot dog, so I'm gonna eat some. My hot dog and I'll be back. Okay guys, so ice pop is for I. Kind of melted, but I need a scissor. It's not really an ice pop anymore, but grape is my favorite. Purple. This is really good. Next is jelly. Hey, let's try it. Oh, it's actually jam, not jelly. Probably. I don't really like the flavor though. No. Tried it. Next. Kiwi. These are one of my favorite fruits. Kiwis are really good. Before, I used to didn't eat it because of the seeds. It used to itch my tongue, but now, so good. So for L, I'm going to be drinking lemonade. There's finally a drink in here. Okay, so after L is mac and cheese. This is heavy. Okay. This is really good. I used to eat mac and cheese every night 24/7, but now I don't. But now I might. Okay. After M, for N, I'm going to be eating a noodle. It's raw, but it doesn't really. Okay. This is really hard, so that's all we're gonna eat. O is for Oreo. Alright guys, so eat it. Wait, this is an Oreo. This is an orange. What is wrong with me? Okay, so after O, for P, I'm going to be having Pez candy. So, good. Oh, I don't want this flavor. This tastes good. Oh. P. For Q, I'm having cheese, but in Spanish. So I'm having queso, that is cheese in Spanish. And I'm having blanco, which is white in Spanish. So let's try it. I'm not really a big fan of cheese. This is not good. So. Okay. Oh, that does not taste good. R is for ranch. I love ranch, so this is the ranch in here. Okay, got ranch. is for strawberries. So. Now strawberries is my favorite fruit. So let's try it. It's really good. I can eat these all day. And the ice cream. Okay. I was gonna put that in the mac and cheese. Strawberry is for S. T is for Tostitos. They're chips. They don't look like this. They look like this. Alright guys, so you know for Q I did cheese in Spanish. So for U, I am doing uvas. And that is grapes in Spanish. So, and it starts with a U, so I'm going to be eating the grape. It's a weird looking grape. And I'm getting distracted, like if I'm looking over there, that's because my cousin's dog looks at me 24/7. So I have to look back at her. So, yeah. Alright guys, so for V, I am doing vanilla ice cream. Kind of melted a little bit, but it's fine. It's kind of fluffy too. Okay. Tastes really good. I'm not really a big fan of vanilla ice cream, but that's good. So yeah. I'm not even full. If you guys don't know me, my family does a lot. I'm hungry. Like I eat something and I get hungry 5 minutes later. It's crazy. Okay, we're at V. W is watermelon. We're at W. Okay, guys. So for X, couldn't find anything. It was really hard. But if you guys know something that starts with an X, comment down below. And if I find something, I'll be back with you guys and I'll show you. So we're gonna skip X and we're gonna go on. Alright guys, so now I am on Y, which is yogurt. So let's try. Hope it doesn't spill out. Okay. I'm gonna try it with a mini spoon. I used to have like a whole pack of these, and I kept on using them, and now I only have 2. I don't know where they are. Good. I'm good. So for the last, final one, I'm having a zebra cake. I haven't tried one of these and it looks really good, so oh my god. That was delicious. Not that good. No, I don't want to. So no. Okay. So that's the end video. If you'd like to give a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notification. Peace!